How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left. Click on your profile. After you click on your profile, click on the three dots at the top right. Here, you'll find Turn Off Professional Mode. Click on Turn Off Professional Mode. Click on Continue, Turn Off, and after you do that, your professional mode will be turned off. And this is how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.